Did they just leave me?
Yep.
Okay. Gotta find out.
Ooh, looking forward to that. Ew. Cream cheese and Oreos.
What do you eat with churros? Chocolate dip. Chocolate would be like an icing dip.
For what? The churros?
Oh,
the churros. Okay.
Oh, get like
The Pillsbury cream. Oh, like some milk. Yeah. Oh yeah, like that milk.
that and then we'll
Vlogging.
You see anything you want vanilla icing?
We're gonna waste on 2 for
Oh, you guys are in my group. You're checking me out.
Gabe, you know I got like 3 or 4 years of videos like this.
Yeah, that's so awesome. You guys want? I mean, we could like peanut butter. No, we don't eat peanut butter.
Yeah. Let's follow Braden here for a little while. Oh, let's follow Will. Will, where's the chocolate chips? I can't help you. I wish I could.
Like anything else? Over here.
Let's go with Will. He's on something here.
What do we need?
Will seems
We're getting
confused.
semi-sweet.
God's guns and the Graveleys. Folks, this is crazy.
They're
We are wasting precious time. Oh shoot, my team. Here, guys.
Check this out.
They got all their stuff here. Everything's looking pretty good.
It's my phone. 26.
No.
Oh,
No bag.
no bag. Wait, yes, we need a bag.
Is this thing accept
No,
cash?
carry it on.
No, so no.
Do you think it accepts?
Wait, no, yes. Have you expend all your bags?
Yes. Oh yes. Hey now.
You gotta put the cash.
Don't forget.
Oh,
Does it not have a cash section?
Oh, that's a.
Do they have cash?
I don't know.
Give us your card.
Guys, we got.
Do you not have your card with you?
No, I don't have it.
Okay. Well,
And
can't
I'm
somebody
not allowed to
keep
help.
cash over here? Okay.
Monitoring in progress.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, the clock is ticking.
Well, I don't think anyone else is left.
Nah, I think you're good. I forget. What time did we say we had to be back?
39.
It's 18.
From, oh, okay, we're good. How you guys feel about your...
Really golden.
Solid.
I'm hungry though. I'm ready for some pizza.
What? If it wasn't good, what's the opposite of solid?
Wait, what's
Liquid.
that?
Yeah.
Muddy.
Not feeling very
Yeah,
liquidy. Solid.
You guys are the first one out. That's good.
Yeah. I feel like I'm like
You got your partner?
yeah.
Give him their receipt. Where's your card? Go. Yeah.
Did we get extra point? I did? Shoot, I don't have the keys. Take that.
My bad.
Shoot.
Got all the stuff?
Oh, man. I didn't even notice that.
I'll take the potatoes.
Did you guys notice that?
Notice what?